Everyone's been talking about the Tuttio lately, but something new just hit the scene that might change everything. The creators of the Riding Times GT-73 have released a new electric bike called the GT-54, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Faster, more powerful, better range, and even $200 cheaper than the Tuttio. Also, they made a Snowmobile conversion kit for it, so if you want to learn more about that, watch till the end. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new machine the talk of the e-bike world. The GT-54 is the newest member of Riding Time's performance lineup. It's designed as a crossover between a street-ready electric dirt bike and a compact off-road powerhouse. With a sleek design and upgraded internals, it's clearly made to compete directly with the Tuttio, but it doesn't stop there. Priced at $1,999, it's already undercutting Tuttio by a solid $200, and yet it offers specs that push beyond what you'd expect at this price. Let's start with the basics: top speed and range. The Tuttio caps out at a respectable level, but the GT-54 edges ahead with a 3 mph higher top speed. That may sound small on paper, but in real-world riding, that extra boost can make the difference between smooth cruising and thrilling acceleration. When it comes to range, things get even more interesting. The Tuttio's advertised maximum is 43 miles, while the GT-54 claims up to 60 miles. And even when you're pushing top speed, the GT-54 is expected to deliver around 30 to 35 miles, which already beats Tuttio's high-speed range of roughly 20 miles. While real-world testing hasn't fully confirmed these numbers yet, early reports suggest Riding Times isn't exaggerating. Here's where things get wild. The GT-54 doesn't just outperform Tuttio, it even beats its own sibling, the GT-73. Riding Times claims the GT-54 has nearly 3 times more torque than the GT-73, meaning instant power off the line and effortless wheelies if you know what you're doing. And yes, there's already footage showing it in action. That kind of torque is what gives the GT-54 its unique character. It's not just another commuter e-bike, it's a performance machine built for riders who want serious pull. Unlike the Tuttio, which uses a more basic display setup, the GT-54 steps up with a full-color smart display. Everything from speed and battery percentage to riding mode and light indicators shows clearly even in bright daylight. It's a small upgrade that adds a premium touch, the kind you'd expect from much more expensive models. Riding Times didn't just chase power. They added practical features too. You get turn signals for safer riding and traffic, upright headlight for nighttime visibility, and adjustable riding modes. These modes can limit top speed for new riders or kids, making it a smart option for families who want both excitement and safety. So if you're a parent thinking about a gift that balances thrill and control, this could be it. Let's talk about what truly makes the GT-54 impressive: value. It's $200 cheaper than the Tuttio, faster, and loaded with more advanced features. It even comes pre-equipped with a VR driver controller, something Tuttio owners have to buy separately. That's a rare move, giving riders everything they need right out of the box. Riding Times seems to know exactly what enthusiasts want: a complete package without hidden add-ons. Now, here's where things get really unique. Riding Times has announced a Snowmobile conversion kit that'll launch in November. With this add-on, the GT-54 can transform into a compact, snow-ready machine, perfect for winter riding. While there's limited footage available yet, this idea alone sets the GT-54 apart. If you live somewhere like it's heavy snow, this could turn one e-bike into a year-round vehicle. Of course, until real riders start posting reviews, some of these claims remain unverified. But if Riding Times delivers on even half of what's promised, the GT-54 could easily dominate the mid-range e-bike category. Better torque, longer range, cheaper price, it checks every box enthusiasts have been asking for. So what do you think? Would you choose the GT-54 over the Tuttio? Do you think this model is truly the new performance standard for budget e-bikes, or just clever marketing?